Today is a special day for Samsung as they are about to show off their new Galaxy S24 series. But, just before this big reveal, let's talk about the latest unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This follows 3 other unboxing videos we saw yesterday. Ice Universe shared a video showing the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra looks stunning in a new titanium violet color. This model stands out because it has a flat screen, different from the curved screen Samsung usually uses. The S24 Plus is shown in a marble gray color, a first-time look according to Ice Universe. The standard S24 appears in a classic black. Additionally, real-life photos have surfaced showing these models in different colors. The S24 Ultra in titanium gray, the S24 Plus in a non-titanium violet, and the S24 in an amber yellow. All of them look amazing. Interestingly, these new models appeared on a Samsung website in the Caribbean earlier than planned, showing us their official images in 4 attractive colors. This might have been an accidental reveal by Samsung. On Twitter, user CrazyGeek shared the Galaxy S24 Ultra's impressive benchmark scores. For the single-core test, it scored 2,333, and for multi-core, it reached 7,118. The US version even has a higher multi-core score. In Australia, customers pre-ordering these phones might get great deals like free storage upgrades, gift cards worth up to $150, and trade-in credits up to $500. Ice Universe also mentioned the S24 Ultra will have smoother animations and overall performance with its One UI 6.1. This could make it the best flagship phone Samsung has ever produced. A Twitter user, Workaholic David, compared the S24 Ultra with the previous S23 Ultra, highlighting the differences. Finally, let's look at the S24 Ultra's features. It has a 6.8-inch 120Hz display, a 200 megapixels main camera, and is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. It comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and offers various storage options. The battery is strong at 5,000 mAh and supports fast charging. With a starting price of around $1,250, the S24 Ultra, with its new design, durability, brighter display, and advanced AI features, seems ready to wow the market. While S23 Ultra owners might not rush to upgrade, the S24 series is a great option for those with older models or considering their first Samsung phone. What do you think? Are you excited about the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace out.